this is the community of American truck drivers. Welcome to another video.
Okay, Garmin.
Continuous recording will now start. On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with ThinkWhere. GPS connected.
South Main Street in Broadway. Saturday, December 9th, WSIG will be broadcasting live. Ven a Tigres por leche y galletas con Santa el sábado 9 de diciembre de 11 a.m. a 1 p.m. en el edificio de la Brigada de Emergencia en Broadway. Este evento está abierto para todos. Traiga su cámara y obtenga fotos gratuitas con Santa y disfrute de manualidades para los niños. Es el evento de Tigres de leche y galletas con Santa en el edificio de la Brigada de Emergencia de Broadway, en 525 South Main Street en Broadway, el sábado 9 de diciembre.
Hamburg Equipment is your source for pre-owned agricultural equipment. They're Valley farmers, serving the agricultural community's equipment needs. If you're interested in buying or selling your ag equipment, give Hamburg Equipment a call. Financing may be available. Trade-ins welcome. For flexible scheduling to view available equipment, call 540-335-7678. That's 540-335-7678. For more information, check out their Facebook page and visit hamburgequipment.com.
Get ready for a festive experience like no other, December 15th through the 17th. The Rockingham County Fairgrounds is transforming into a winter wonderland for Christmas Village at the fair. Join them for 3 magical days of holiday cheer, including dazzling light displays, Santa's workshop, a petting zoo, and a snowball pit. Savor delicious seasonal treats and create lasting memories with family and friends. Don't miss the Rockingham County Fair's Christmas Village at the fair, where holiday magic comes to life, December 15th through the 17th. Make this season unforgettable. Buy your tickets at rockinghamcountyfair.com.
It's hard to holiday shop for my family because everyone is so different. Becky's a botanist, Kurt's a cook, Ricky's a reptile wrangler, Lee is a lifeguard, Tori's a teacher, and Ian is in insurance. Luckily, I can never go wrong with gifting games from the Virginia Lottery. Everyone gets scratchers and everyone is happy, even Cameron the critic. I give scratchers every year because I know it's a gift that everyone will love, and I love playing the online instant games. Celebrate the season with the Virginia Lottery. Visit VALottery.com/holiday. Please gift responsibly.
This is Eric
O'Ball for Charlie O'Ball Chevrolet GMC and Stand. It doesn't matter if you've been bad or good, naughty or nice. Everyone gets our very best price. Over 400 Chevrolets and GMCs available with payments starting at $249 per month. Plus, we'll pay you up to 130% of Kelley Blue Book fair market value for any trade in any condition. Or finance with 0 down as low as 0.9 APR. So dash through the snow. Come all you faithful to Charlie O'Ball and Stand. We'll pay you up to 130% of Kelley Blue Book fair market value for your old vehicle in any condition. Rusted, busted, can't be trusted. We'll still give you up to 130% of Kelley Blue Book fair market value for your old ride towards the purchase of a new Chevy or GMC. 'Tis the season to be saving. 0 down as low as 0.9 APR and 0 payments until 2024. Come see me. At Charlie O'Ball Chevrolet GMC. Just minutes from Charlottesville and Harrisonburg. Under the giant American flag in historic Stand, Virginia. CharlieO'Ball.com. And God bless America.
24 trucks, 24 months lease. $32.79 US items plus TTML and $6.99 processing fee. Next trade with the purchase of select models. 2816 per month for 1,000 borrow for 36 months at 0.9 APR with 0 down. Subject to order approval. Offer to combine. Find new roads.
Everyone has unique abilities, and with Able Now, individuals with disabilities are able to save money while maintaining certain benefits, such as Medicaid. Able Now is a tax-advantaged savings program specifically designed for people with disabilities. Open an account online today and start saving for the things that are important
You got a
to you.
friggin' hit,
So
man.
what if you or someone you know is eligible? Visit AbleNow.com.
Right up on that side.
Able Now is administered by Virginia 529.
Rockingham Cooperative in Harrisonburg is offering
He's got a hit.
Saturday, December 8th and 9th at 1044 South High Street in Harrisonburg. Customers can shop for 25% off area footwear,
There he goes.
10% off all long guns, 15% off scopes. Don't miss out on the
There you go, buddy.
25% off kids clothing sale as well. Check out
I don't wanna see you hit. I just-
this weekend across the store, just in time to grab stocking stuffers for your loved ones or gifts for yourself. These deals only
Dude,
available this weekend.
what
at
are you-
Rockingham
you're gonna
Cooperative in
freaking-
Harrisonburg.
96.9 WSIG.
What are you even trying to accomplish? Because you were facing this way when you came in.
Tonight mainly clear with low at 28. Clouds and sunshine tomorrow, high 63. Windy day on Sunday with some rain. Winds could gust over 40 miles per hour, high 59. From the News Talk 92.1 and high 50 WSBA Weather Center, I'm Frank Will. Thanks, Frank. Let's check on the forecast. Brought to you by Rockingham Cooperative and Rockingham.
I don't know what you're trying to do.
In Harrisonburg. Nice fall afternoon. 55 currently in Harrisonburg at WMS
This thing was running. I'm gonna
This is
freaking.
Angie from Mount Poland, and we
I need to
sell
save
country
this.
WSIG.
What are you trying to accomplish, brother? Let me leave. Actually, this is entertaining. I don't know what he's even trying to do.
2 very boring minutes later.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.